Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Eclipse latest version on Windows 11 operating system. But the process is same on all Windows operating system. Eclipse is the integrated development environment. So first to download, go to eclipse.org, hit enter. Now click on download. Click on download, then select the download x86_64. Click on download again. Wait a moment. Yeah, download started. Go to downloads. See here, its size is 163 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now click on this exe file. See here, we have different options. Eclipse IDE for Java developers, C++ developers, PHP, and different options. So I'm going to select Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Just click on it. Then this is the installation directory for the Eclipse. And if you want to create start menu entry, you have to select the checkbox. If you want to create desktop shortcut, you have to select. These two are optional. It is up to you. So I want to both. So click on install. Just you have to select this is the license agreement. So select accept now. See, installation is completed. Now you can close this one. Close it. No. Then go to, see here we have the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Or click on all applications. Go to the folder that starts with Eclipse. See here we have the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Click on it or search for Eclipse. See here we have the Eclipse. Click on run as admin or open, or just click on it. Click on launch. Cancel this one. Maximize it. Now file, new. Then select the different options like Java project, package, class, interface, enum, etc. options are there. Click on Java project, or see here on desktop we have the create a hello world application or create any Java. Different options are there. You can also check projects from the Git. Okay, so click on create a hello world application. See here we have the options. Okay, so if you want to create a new project, just click on create a Java project. Then you have to provide the project name and environment. We have to select 21 because I have installed Java JDK 21. So based on your Java version, you have to select here. If you want to verify the Java install, cmd Java --version. See, mine is 70. So select the version 17 from this list. Okay, so this is the way to install Eclipse for Java developers on Windows 11 operating system. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.